Over here! Hey! What you saying?
Do they look like just apes to you?
I shot him. I shot him.
Dad.
Malcolm, what are you doing?
Dad.
Malcolm.
It's okay. Put your guns down. Holy shit.
My bag!
Most of the arsenal seems functional.
Hey! Don't you move! Don't move! You understand me?
Holy shit.
What do we do? You are one ugly son of a bitch, aren't you? Come on! Get out of here, stupid monkey!
On you already go!
What the hell's wrong with you? I thought we told you to go out!
No! No! Go!
Oh, you understood that, didn't you?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Hey.
I think he likes you.
There we go. Whoa, hey.
Whoa, hey, hey.
Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa,